Hi, my name is Rebecca, never Becky, and today I'm talking about my feelings. I'm being very raw with you guys today. You know, today is just one of those days where I'm not okay. I'm not okay with what's going on in the world. You know, people that are not supporting, people that feel like their agendas mean more than our agendas. I'm not okay with everything because I do feel like it needs to be fair. But I don't know, and I think the world feels the same. We don't know what to do to make things fair anymore. And it's very frustrating when you feel like as a race, you know, you're being attacked. And I can't sit idly by and not say anything. I feel like we have all collectively have been affected by everything that's going on. No matter what race you are, you feel it. And if you don't feel it, I'm here to let you know that it's not dead. It's not a one-time movement. This is something that has to continue to be talked about, because if we don't continue talking about it, it fades, it goes away. And this is a problem that has always been with us. That is now time for all of us, Black creators, Black owners, Black anything, to stand up and really start talking about our issues and really start talking about the mental health of everything that goes on with us. So for me, I feel like it's important that I come in today and I just kind of let my guard down with you guys. If that's okay with you guys, I'm letting my guards down, guys. I'm being raw, I'm being open, and it's not easy for me to do. So let's just get into this video. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this look, and I'm not gonna go step by step with my makeup today, only because I really just want to come here and talk to you guys and just let you guys know, like, you know, I'm not okay. I can definitely just say this off the top and not feel regret for putting myself out here and by saying I'm not okay. I know for me, with everything, you know, with the Black Lives Matter movement in particularly, I'm not okay. You know, I'm going through so much that I don't even know if it's okay at this point to feel this way about even leaving my house these days, you guys. Like, it's real. You know what I'm saying? If you are not addressing, acknowledging Black Lives Matter movement, if you're on my channel, if you have not acknowledged it, if you're not even understanding of it, I have done you no justice. I have done you a disservice by not educating you, by not letting you know that I'm very upset. I'm very hurt. And every time I think I'm okay, I leave my house and I realize it's not okay. I'm not safe. I don't feel safe anymore. I would be lying to say that I do. I would be lying to say that I don't feel some type of way about everything, every company that hasn't come out and shown the support. I feel all of that, guys. Like, it really does suck to be in this situation where you don't feel safe. And I feel like as a Black woman, I'm telling my truth right now. And my truth is I don't always feel safe. I don't always feel okay. I'm more paranoid now than I've ever been before. You know, and even though I live in San Diego, guys, there's so much that doesn't get reported out here that honestly, it's like you don't know sometimes if you're okay or if you're not. And for me, I don't feel safe. If I am safe, it's neither here nor there for me at this point. And it just sucks because that's my reality now. It's been my reality, don't get me wrong. I've always known that this is a factor. I've always been aware that racism has never went away. I mean, I couldn't honestly tell you how many times I've been called an N-word. It is not fun. I have been through a lot where I can say it's not okay that we're dealing with this. You know, I would love to have believed that we were past this time, but we're not. And I just want to let people know that, you know, if you see Black anything, try to support that. Whether you understand, whether you have full knowledge, you know, at this point, it's support, period, across the board. And I feel like I'm also very happy that we've made certain moves and we're seeing progress being made. But honestly, it's not enough. It's not enough, guys. It's just not enough, because you're talking about someone's security, the way that they feel every day. You guys could probably wake up, if you're not a Black person, you could wake up and not feel as attacked. You won't feel that feeling And I'm telling you, like, it's just different when it comes to Black Lives Matter. It's a different movement because it's something that's been going on for generations that we've all had to deal with. Whether you read it in your history books, whether you were informed properly, I'm telling you right now, whatever you're doing, it's not enough. I am not doing enough, and I don't know what else I can do, you know, other than vote and get out there and let people know it's not okay. We're not okay. It really sucks. And I can say, like, just because I'm not always okay, sometimes even having a place to talk about it is all that sometimes we need. And sometimes we need more than just this. We need it all. Okay guys, you can see where I added the shimmer. It's so nice. I'm gonna intensify it more, but I actually use this highlighter color to add the shimmer. So I'm adding this as a layer, but we're gonna go in the tear duct of my eye and we're gonna really bring this color out. I say everything I say about Black Lives Matter movement, guys, because it's affected me, and that's just the truth of the matter. Also, because of Black Lives Matter movement has happened, I also feel like so much is changing. To celebrate Juneteenth for the first time as a nation, I don't think people really understand how big of a deal that is. For so many years, we're told that we have to celebrate this one holiday that really doesn't pertain to us. So for me, I feel blessed to see people making changes, like Target made a change to celebrate Juneteenth, to make that a national holiday, and I'm honored to be around to see this. I'm gonna go ahead and with the shimmer color and really intensify this look. And it's making me feel like there is a chance that for real change, you know? I don't feel that it's now just gonna fall on deaf ears. I feel like as a nation we have woke up, and I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to see the change. It may be slow, but I feel like from this point on, people can't close their eyes anymore to it. And I'm happy if anybody on my channel has been supporting Black Lives Matter, that is supporting Black Lives Matter, that has kept supporting Black Lives Matter since the movement started. Thank you, I appreciate it because it does help. It does mean something when you help. Okay, so I'm just gonna move this pretty color down to the bottom of my lid here, and I'm gonna smudge this color out. It is so pretty. I'm using this blush color here to smudge it out. And I'm just gonna get rid of any excess that fell out. That's all that I'm gonna do. And of course, give myself some cleaning definition here. So I'm just gonna clean up and we're gonna start sculpting the face right about now. Now that I'm done setting my face, you know, I say all those things to you guys because I feel like I don't want anybody to ever forget that this is not just a one-time event for Black Lives Matter. This is something that needs to happen, that needs to keep being talked about. It can't be a one-time conversation. I feel like it's important that I remind you guys, if you are following me on Instagram, and if you're subscribed to me, and if this is your new time, you know, your first time watching me, you know, at the end of the day, I want you to know, like, I'm not okay with what's going on. I can't come on here every day and smile and laugh because that's not how I feel. So I say that to let you guys know, like, I hope you keep pushing forward. I hope if you don't educate yourself, you educate yourself. That if nothing else, you do something to keep this conversation going, because we are all hurt as a community. We are all entirely hurt, and it's time that we get heard. And I feel like this is a time that I want to be a part of the movement, and I don't want to be a part of the problem. And if you're a part of the problem, then you don't support me. And so I just want to come on here and just kind of let you guys know, you know, as I get my face ready for absolutely nothing. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with my Vesca Beauty bronzer. These beauties, I'm telling you guys, if you haven't tried them, go try them. They have so many shades. I'm gonna take this beautiful Morphe brush. I don't have a number. It came in the pack that the bundle I bought. So Sorry guys, I don't have a number for it. So I'm just using my brush just to bronze out the face. She's so beautiful. And with that being said, guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. I feel like we're gonna keep this conversation going because we have to keep these conversations going. It is important. Don't forget that, you know, donating helps, you know, whatever you can do, if that's supporting my channel and sharing my channel or the next person you know, or any company you know. I do not mind if you guys leave your business information in the comments below. I love to support. I love to give back as well. And I feel like it's important that we open up that door of communication and we start telling our truth. And I hope this video giving you guys some type of insight of what we're all thinking if we don't even say it out loud sometimes. I will see you guys in my next video, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much.